Finally, we're here. We made it, guys. Rosa is graduating. I'm happy, man. Everybody here is graduating, and it's good to see the youth going up. You know what I'm saying? I sound like a dad right now, but I'm really excited, and I'm glad I get to experience this with Rosa. 3, 2. All right, guys. So currently we're downtown. We're waiting in line for Rosa. She's gonna be announcing where she's going to school. Basically, this is the start of a graduation process. And there's so many people here, bro. We're literally waiting in a line that wraps all the way around. And there's so many, all the schools. But there's another school over there. There's a red school there. So the black school's over there. All the different schools are mixed together. We got 2 tickets, one for me, one for Rosa's mom. We had a little bonding moment, spending some quality time together. And yeah, finally we're here. We made it, guys. Rosa is graduating. Finally.
That's who?
So we're basically waiting. I just want to document this. But yo, all these people are noticing me right now in line. Like all the kids, they're like, they know who I am. It's kind of lit.
So she called me that morning. It was like 7:30. I start school at 8:30. She was like, "Are you gonna go to school or not?" And then I was like, "No." And then she was like, "Okay, if you don't graduate, then that's on you." And then I was like, "Okay," because I have like 20 absences.
Rosa's been very sick for like the past week. You know, she was throwing up, vomiting, nauseous every single day. She sleeps with the trash can next to her because she gotta throw up. What else has been going on?
Lots of headaches.
A couple days ago, Rosa threw up hella times, 3 times. So Rosa's been sick.
And then on Tuesday, I didn't go again because she also told me to go that day. But that day they were closed, so I missed for no reason. But I was like getting better, right? And then on Wednesday, I went to school, and my mom was like, "I'm gonna go pick you up so we can go to the doctor and you can tell her what's been going on." Because that day I woke up with a sore throat, like worse than I was those past 3 days. I got picked up early, went to the doctor. She told me I couldn't go to school on Thursday or Friday and to go until Monday, which was 2 days ago. That Wednesday, it was really bad. I had slept the whole afternoon after getting back from the doctors.
HD quality, guys, like holy hell. Oh, Rosa with the blonde. Oh, me. Alright guys, we finally made it. Hello. Yes. It said lower than 20.
Yep.
Where does 20 or down there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Alright guys, I found Rosa already. Right there with the orange hair. Super easy, right exactly where we are. Perfect. But yeah guys, we finally made it. This is actually called Senior Signing Day. This is like where they announce their school or where they're supposed to go for college. Rosa is going to YouTube University. But there's my orange haired buttercup right there. Guys, I just got back from the restroom and there's even a line to use the restroom, bro. There's just so many people here, man. I don't get it. But I'm happy, man. Everybody here is graduating. And it's good to see the youth going up, you know what I'm saying? I sound like a dad right now, but I'm really excited and I'm glad I get to experience this with Rosa. But I'm surprised Houston got 2. I did not know that. You know, I gotta become a fellow Histonian, you know what I'm saying, now that I live here. But Hakeem, Elijah Wine, I don't know too much about that, but hey, at least they won something. I'm not in that too trash of it. Shit's jam-packed, though. Waiting for Rosa's brother to pull up and her sister, and her friend. And they got cheerleaders, what the hell, man. These cool vibes. Those people. Damn. Oh, they're cheering for their school. I didn't even notice. Imagine having to be all the way up there, though. It's kind of tough. Maybe that's for the students, I don't know. Alright guys, they said they got 10 minutes till they start. I guess that's the president or something. I don't know, man. But he's at the center of the stage.
Personal, familias, invitados,
And he looks
miembros
like
de la
that
clase
guy.
2022.
Rosa told me she's a little nervous because everybody knows who she is and they can spot her because of the orange hair. They were like, are you the one in the white? I see you and stuff. So she said she's a little nervous. Alright guys, Joelle made it all the whole game, finally. Wait, what do you think about Rosada's new hair?
To me, she looks light skinned.
Guys, on TikTok, some people say Rosada looks like Cardi B or like these other light-skinned rappers sometimes. It's so funny. Wow. Oh, no. Wow. Bro, I feel bad for those girls that just on the side watching, bro. They don't get to dance. It's interesting, bro. My school didn't do this. Wow, it's dark. 3, 2, 1. Senior signing day. So guys, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but Rosada gotta do this. She gotta yell in the mic where she's going to college. Holy cow, bro. I'd be nervous to do this, no cap. We got 2 more schools to go. Look at all those people in line right there. And then they just say it. Wait, cut to this.
Annette Maricela Sadiana.
And then they say what college you're
The
going to.
University of Texas at Austin.
Yeah. Go crazy. Yeah. Alright guys. There goes Rosada.
Benjamin Sandoval.
Walk. Holy cow. Then she gotta go on the stage. And it goes by last name, so Rosada Como, she gotta go first. Rosada C, she gotta go first. Don't put her full name in.
Cecilia Arredondo. Daniel Arzardo. Rosario.
Sorry, Como. See what they do. Step it up.
Press, 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 press.